Miles Revolution here today. So I'm going to do something with a Jeep Gladiator that probably most Jeep owners don't do, and that's fill up the back end with concrete to haul it away. I used to have a big old truck, but now I've just got this thing here, and I'm going to try to protect it the best I can. So what I've done is I put this board here on the bottom so that when I put the concrete in there, it doesn't beat up my bed too bad. And then I place this other board here onto the tailgate so I don't scratch it up too bad. And then I have this tarp that I put down here to kind of stop the scratching from going on. And that's my plan. Of course, looks like we got some wind here, wants to not help us out, so this thing in here. But this will keep most of the dirt and little pieces of concrete from getting into the bed anyway, which I swear I don't want them. So, and I'm not going to throw the concrete in because I really don't want anything, you know, bumping anything unnecessarily. So that's how we're going to do it. So let's go get this pile here. I'll put this camera in a better place so you can maybe see me loading it up here. All right, well, I got a lot of it in there, but didn't get all of it. I just don't want to fill it too full. I mean, I know that's actually a pretty big load for a Jeep Gladiator as it is. So, you know, let's not put any more stress on the suspension or anything, and we'll just haul it off. But that's what I'm doing with the Jeep Gladiator. So Jeep Gladiators can do some work, and you know, might as well use them. You got it, use it. That's what I say. Thanks for watching.